Hello friends. Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. UPPCS Mains GS Paper 6. Question 41, 125 words. Discuss the significance of Public-Private Partnership (PPP) in accelerating infrastructure development in Uttar Pradesh. What are the major challenges associated with its implementation? Model answer. Public-Private Partnership (PPP) has emerged as an effective governance model for developing quality infrastructure by combining public accountability with private sector efficiency. It enables governments to mobilize financial resources, technological expertise, and managerial capabilities, while reducing the fiscal burden on the state. In Uttar Pradesh, PPP has significantly contributed to the development of expressways, airports, urban transport, healthcare, education, industrial corridors, and logistics infrastructure. The model improves project execution, promotes innovation, enhances service quality, and stimulates economic growth. However, land acquisition disputes, contractual complexities, financial risks, regulatory uncertainty, unequal risk sharing, and weak monitoring mechanisms often hinder project success. A transparent policy framework, balanced risk allocation, institutional capacity, efficient dispute resolution, and continuous public oversight are essential for ensuring sustainable and inclusive infrastructure development through PPP in Uttar Pradesh. Question 42, 125 words. Examine the role of digital governance in improving administrative efficiency and citizen-centric service delivery in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Digital governance refers to the application of information and communication technology for improving transparency, efficiency, accountability, and accessibility in public administration. It simplifies administrative procedures, reduces delays, and strengthens citizen-centric governance. In Uttar Pradesh, digital platforms have transformed public service delivery through online certificates, electronic payments, digital land records, direct benefit transfer (DBT), grievance redressal portals, and integrated government services. These initiatives have reduced corruption, enhanced transparency, and improved administrative responsiveness. Nevertheless, challenges such as the digital divide, cybersecurity threats, limited digital literacy, poor internet connectivity, and resistance to technological change continue to affect digital transformation. Expanding digital infrastructure, strengthening cybersecurity, promoting digital literacy, ensuring inclusive access, and continuously upgrading administrative capacity will make digital governance more efficient, secure, and citizen-friendly in Uttar Pradesh. Question 43, 125 words. Discuss the importance of financial accountability in public administration. How can financial discipline improve governance in Uttar Pradesh? Model answer. Financial accountability is a fundamental principle of public administration, ensuring that public funds are utilized economically, efficiently, transparently, and exclusively for public welfare. It promotes responsible governance and strengthens public confidence in government institutions. Financial discipline includes transparent budgeting, prudent expenditure, effective procurement, internal auditing, legislative oversight, and performance evaluation. In Uttar Pradesh, sound financial management minimizes corruption, prevents misuse of public resources, improves welfare program implementation, and strengthens fiscal sustainability. However, procedural delays, weak monitoring systems, inadequate internal controls, and limited institutional capacity often reduce financial efficiency and accountability. Strengthening audit mechanisms, adopting digital financial management systems, enhancing transparency, conducting regular expenditure reviews, and promoting ethical financial administration are essential for achieving accountable and sustainable governance in Uttar Pradesh. Question 44, 125 words. Critically analyze the importance of capacity building in improving the efficiency of public servants in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Capacity building is the continuous process of enhancing the knowledge, professional skills, leadership qualities, and technological competence of public servants, enabling them to respond effectively to changing governance challenges and citizens' expectations. Well-trained officials make informed decisions, improve policy implementation, strengthen institutional coordination, and encourage innovation in public administration. In Uttar Pradesh, capacity building has become increasingly important due to digital governance, disaster management, rapid urbanization, and complex developmental challenges. However, inadequate training infrastructure, shortage of specialized expertise, limited opportunities for continuous learning, and resistance to administrative reforms continue to affect organizational performance. Regular professional training, competency-based evaluation, leadership development programs, digital learning platforms, and exposure to best administrative practices can significantly enhance governance capacity and public service delivery in Uttar Pradesh. Question 45, 125 words. Discuss the significance of evidence-based policy making in achieving effective governance in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Evidence-based policy making refers to the formulation of public policies on the basis of reliable data, scientific research, field surveys, and objective analysis rather than assumptions or political preferences. It improves both policy quality and implementation outcomes. In Uttar Pradesh, evidence-based governance enables policymakers to identify developmental priorities, allocate resources efficiently, evaluate program performance, and improve policy effectiveness. It also strengthens transparency, accountability, and informed decision-making, while reducing policy failures and resource wastage. Nevertheless, inadequate data quality, fragmented databases, weak research capacity, delayed reporting, and insufficient interdepartmental coordination continue to affect policy effectiveness. Strengthening statistical systems, integrating public databases, promoting academic collaboration, encouraging policy research, and enhancing analytical capacity within government departments are essential for evidence-based and sustainable governance in Uttar Pradesh. Question 46, 125 words. Discuss the importance of policy implementation in public administration. Examine the major factors affecting effective implementation of government policies in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Policy implementation is the process through which governmental decisions are translated into practical actions in public services. The success of any policy depends not merely upon its formulation, but upon its effective, timely, and transparent implementation. In Uttar Pradesh, successful policy implementation requires administrative efficiency, adequate financial resources, trained human resources, technological support, political commitment, effective coordination, and active public participation. Continuous monitoring and periodic evaluation further improve implementation outcomes. However, bureaucratic delays, corruption, shortage of skilled personnel, weak accountability, inadequate infrastructure, and poor coordination among implementing agencies often reduce policy effectiveness. Strengthening institutional capacity, promoting technology-driven monitoring, ensuring transparency, encouraging performance-based administration, and increasing citizen participation are essential for effective policy implementation in Uttar Pradesh. Question 47, 125 words. Evaluate the role of monitoring and evaluation, MAND-A, in improving governance outcomes in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Monitoring and evaluation, MAND-A, are indispensable administrative tools for assessing the efficiency, effectiveness, transparency, and impact of public policies and development programs. They help identify implementation gaps and facilitate timely corrective measures. Monitoring provides continuous supervision of program implementation, whereas evaluation measures whether intended objectives have been achieved successfully. In Uttar Pradesh, an effective manned-A system improves resource utilization, strengthens accountability, enhances service delivery, and supports evidence-based decision-making. Nevertheless, unreliable data, inadequate evaluation capacity, delayed reporting, insufficient utilization of findings, and weak institutional coordination continue to reduce governance effectiveness. Developing robust data systems, strengthening independent evaluation mechanisms, promoting real-time monitoring, and institutionalizing feedback-based policy reforms will significantly improve governance outcomes in Uttar Pradesh. Question 48, 125 words. Discuss the significance of administrative coordination in ensuring efficient governance. What measures can strengthen coordination among government departments in Uttar Pradesh? Model answer. Administrative coordination is essential for ensuring that various government departments function harmoniously, avoid duplication of efforts, and collectively achieve common developmental objectives. It improves policy implementation and enhances administrative efficiency. In Uttar Pradesh, effective coordination facilitates integrated planning, efficient resource utilization, faster decision-making, improved disaster management, better welfare delivery, and successful execution of multi-sectoral programs. However, departmental silos, communication gaps, overlapping responsibilities, procedural delays, and inadequate information sharing frequently hinder administrative coordination. Promoting digital information sharing platforms, establishing interdepartmental committees, encouraging collaborative leadership, conducting joint performance reviews, and strengthening integrated planning mechanisms are essential for improving coordination and ensuring effective governance in Uttar Pradesh. Question 49, 125 words. Analyze the role of administrative reforms in promoting good governance in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Administrative reforms are systematic efforts to improve the efficiency, transparency, responsiveness, and accountability of public institutions. They enable governments to adapt to changing developmental needs and enhance the quality of public service delivery. In Uttar Pradesh, administrative reforms include process simplification, digital transformation, institutional modernization, performance management, capacity building, and citizen-centric service delivery. These reforms reduce procedural delays, improve transparency, strengthen accountability, and increase public satisfaction. However, resistance to organizational change, shortage of skilled personnel, inadequate institutional capacity, and inconsistent implementation often limit the effectiveness of reform initiatives. Continuous institutional reforms, technology-driven governance, leadership commitment, regular performance evaluation, and active citizen participation are essential for achieving efficient, transparent, and accountable governance in Uttar Pradesh. Question 50, 125 words. Examine the importance of innovation in public administration. How can innovative governance practices improve public service delivery in Uttar Pradesh? Model answer. Innovation in public administration refers to the adoption of new ideas, technologies, management practices, and institutional processes for improving governance efficiency, administrative responsiveness, and citizen satisfaction. It enables governments to address emerging developmental challenges more effectively. Innovative governance promotes digital services, data-driven decision-making, process automation, transparent administration, participatory governance, and efficient resource management. In Uttar Pradesh, innovation can transform healthcare, education, agriculture, urban development, policing, and welfare delivery, while reducing administrative costs and delays. Nevertheless, inadequate financial resources, limited technical expertise, organizational resistance, and insufficient innovation culture continue to restrict its adoption. Encouraging research, strengthening digital infrastructure, rewarding innovative public servants, fostering public-private collaboration, and promoting continuous institutional learning will make governance more efficient, responsive, and citizen-centric in Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.